It is 12:50. It's 12:56. This is the last store I'm going to. Hot Topic. I'm gonna look for Halloween stuff. In the front, I don't know what this is, but it looks like a Halloween thing. Looks new. The Amazing Digital Circus, unless it's a different name, I don't know. Book bag. Kind of like the book bag. Stuffed animals, cool. Wallet, stickers, socks, more wallets, mini mug, mystery mini glass. I love the stuffy. Shirts. to look at Halloween stuff, but I love One Piece and my son too. I love the old One Piece cartoons. Fun to have these cartoon Halloween. This is mystery phone. Oh, phone baddies. That's cute.
I didn't know what was going on. So that's
You see the promo card? Yeah, sure. Just so you know, you do have to buy the Pokemon card pack. This one's $9.90. This one's $12.90. Which one do you want?
I used to have my noodle buttons. I used to collect the buttons and then the sticker book. I haven't seen it on Pinterest. It just shows the stickers. Or, no, they show the sticker book, but not the stickers.
Well, he told about it, but I would be able to.
Anybody used to love my noodle? 1980s, I think it was. Was it 80?
I just gotta grab this stuff real quick, and then you're
We have stickers here. This is cute. Little stickers around here. Hunter. Okay, big ones. This looks like a Halloween. Wednesday, Halloween. I just love coming here to Hot Topic. This is the only place I feel comfortable always. I mean, there's other stores too, but I've been coming here a long time. And in the beginning, I used to just record for myself. I used to record for myself, not like post it nowhere. Well, I post it on my Facebook, but every time it's different people, and they just let you, do you record, I already showed you this. I found a new one in box once. That's why I took a picture of it. Already, but recorded on finding it. This, the Callico critters, and they have these gotcha glimmers. Already showed that, and the kitties. They look so cool. They even have it like box launched slimes. This is the Halloween one. Cute to the bone.
Alrighty. So then, give me 1 second. I got you. So sorry.
That's okay.
How much on the Pokemon? $9.90 for the manufacturer pack. $12.90 for the one.
Cinnamon roll, I think. You can see the face.
Alright guys, come here.
Look, they have it here. The last one in Hot Topic. The lady mentioned they don't have these. They don't sell it. This is the one I was looking for.
So sorry.
Oh, that's okay. It's more anyway. I don't know how much it is in Spirit Halloween, but I think I heard 8, or 6. This is $12.90, but at least I know they might put more. Hopefully, this is a Summerween toy. Well, bag clip, but wow, I'm happy to at least got to see it in person. And they have these new ones that are cute. squishy? Yes, it's squishy. Cute doggy. Wow, look at all this. Start to have it everywhere. That's it. Let me show you these. Almost finished. I'm going home. I gotta finish. I'm gonna be cleaning a big job, the bathroom. So I have to get the brushes for the toilet and the brush for the, to scrub the floor and stuff. It's a lot, man. A lot. Oh my god. Look at this one. I hit the jackpot today. Today's my lucky finds. I found lucky stuff. Oh man, so happy. They have more stuff of blind bags. I earn money, I would come here and buy a lot of blind bags and unboxing toys, but I'm never gonna get to that point. Should I just give up and not post anymore on TikTok? That's it. Because I'm almost giving up on my YouTube channel, so. The last video, going home.